Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl mama. What's up? If you want to know how I achieved this delicious air fryer barbecue chicken, stay tuned to the end of this video, guys. Yeah. So guys, for a start, all I have here is my chicken, which is already washed and clean. I'm going to start by parboiling it. So to proceed, I'm going to be adding my Maggi seasoning, as you can see. Then the next step is to add my thyme. Then after then, I'm going to add some chopped onions and give it a good stir. So guys, after stirring it, I will add a little amount of curry powder. Yeah, it's optional. You can as well skip it if you don't like it. Right now, I'm going to add my bay leaf and cover it to cook. Yes, guys. So right now, guys, the meat is ready. As you can see, is already cooked. Yes, guys. So right now, the next step is to grill the meat, and at this moment you are going to add any seasoning of your choice. Yes, guys, for the grilling. And before I forget, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Yes, guys, my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos. If I see any video that caught my attention, trust me, I can as well film it. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I really appreciate you from the deep bottom of my heart. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I'm only adding up all the seasonings I want to use for the barbecue. I only added ginger and garlic. Yeah, ginger powder and garlic with black pepper and red chili pepper with just add anything of your choice you want to add, and that is it. So keep watching and hope you enjoy watching this video. And don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. I would like to know, guys, if you've ever grilled chicken barbecue on air fryer. Please share your thoughts at the comment section down below. I would love to hear that. And if you have not tried it, give it a try. You will not regret it. Yes, guys. So continue watching and hope you enjoy watching this video. So guys, I'm just trying to make sure that the chicken is well seasoned. Yeah. So right now, guys, I'm done with my seasoning. I'm going to cover it and leave it to cool down for 15 minutes in my refrigerator.
A few moments later.
So guys, it's already 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead by grilling it in my air fryer. For the sake of this video, I decided to leave it for 15 minutes. You can as well leave it as long as you want. Right now we are about to grill it, and I'm using 200 degrees, and I'm going to grill it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, guys. So right now the meat is ready. I ended up grilling it for 15 minutes with 200 degrees. So beautiful people, you can see how well grilled the chicken is looking. So yummy and delicious. Honestly guys, if you haven't tried this recipe, give it a try and you will not regret it. Very simple and easy to achieve. I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Ciao.
Yo.